My parents started the firm back in the 70s. My dad went to law school out in Stanford, and then they moved back east to be closer to family. At some point around the early 60s, my dad was wooed away by his father to go into the family business, which was a shoe manufacturing company. In the mid-70s, the shoe industry hit some hard times. They ended up selling the factory. My dad could have moved to South Carolina with the factory. Instead, he decided to go back into law. And so he hung out his own shingle, and my mom was his support system, and together they built up an amazing practice. They built something that each one of their kids had an opportunity to participate in, and we've all been very blessed to have this practice grow and thrive and benefit from in one way or another. Families work a lifetime to develop wealth, and the quality of the estate plan that they get will really drive whether or not that wealth stays with that family or gets dispersed out. The estate plan can really help to crystallize things so that the wealth stays with the family, with the intended recipient. I think that's an important part of what we're trying to do. To me, my clients are like a part of my family. I hope they feel the same way about us, but I certainly feel that way about them. I just want to be there to help them and guide them through the difficult time that they're about to go through. And if we can take any of that burden off of them, that's important. We have seminars that we offer to the general public, just a way to get some good basic information about the right type of plan that's available to them. We just really are trying to use it as an opportunity to educate the public to know what their options are. Once you have kids, you're always kind of driven to make sure that your children are better off than you are. And I think that the estate plan is a very important way to make sure that that can happen. Very often going to a lawyer is an intimidating experience for a lot of families. We don't want it to be that way. We want it to be something comfortable so that at the very least we're friends, and if not, we're family members that you can go to and rely on when you have a difficult time to go through. It's nice to have that support network, and we want to be there to provide that.